Hey guys, it's Meryl. I'm at the brand new Feedfeed LA test kitchen, and today we're going to be making a gluten-free pizza dough flatbread with this Simple Mills box mix. We're gonna top it with vanilla bean cashew cream, caramelized pears, lemons, and it'll be an amazing little holiday appetizer. I love Simple Mills because they only have about 5 ingredients on their list, and you recognize all of them. It's really clean, it's healthy, and the best part is it's really easy to make. We're gonna prepare our wet ingredients, just apple cider vinegar, oil, and some water. Now you just are gonna combine the two for it to form into a dough. So now that the batter is mixed together, it just needs to sit for a minute. Our oven is preheating at 350. All right, now that this has had like a couple minutes to sit and thicken up, we can just take the dough out of the bowl. All right, now I'm gonna place this onto some parchment paper on a baking sheet. You can also just put oil on a baking sheet if you'd prefer. I'm going to also put some of this avocado oil on my hands. It just allows the dough not to stick. So now you're just gonna form your crust, circle. You don't have to make it super thin. It's actually nice to have like a little bit of a thicker crust. Okay, now that your crust is ready to go, we're just gonna pop it in the oven at 350 and let it bake for about 15 minutes until it's browned. All right, now we're gonna prepare our vanilla bean cashew cream. And I've been soaking some cashews for at least 30 minutes. Every nut has a different soaking time. Almonds, for example, you wanna soak overnight. But nuts have an enzyme inhibitor on them called phytic acid, so it's really important to release that, which makes them easier to digest. And so we're just going to soak, rinse, and sprout their nutrients. Now we're gonna prepare the cashew cream. It's a really good dairy-free alternative to something like frosting. So you're just gonna add the cashews, half a cup water, vanilla extract, pinch sea salt. You can use any sweetener. I'm using maple syrup today, but medjool dates work really well too. Any sweetener that you have on hand, it's great. Blend it up, low to high, together. And you just want to blend it until it's really smooth looking and you don't see any more pieces of cashews in there. Now we're going to add our vanilla bean pod. This makes it look really beautiful. There's a bunch of tiny little seeds inside this vanilla bean. Gonna take a little taste. It's pretty good, but I'm gonna add a little more lemon juice just to make it really pop. We are gonna top this flatbread with some red pears that we're gonna caramelize along with some lemon slices. You can really top it with anything you want. Just keep it seasonal. I've done it before with figs and caramelized onions. You can do berries. It really goes with anything. I'm just gonna add a little oil to our pan. Now that we have our crust golden brown and ready to go, we're gonna start dressing it up with the cashew cream. just gonna sprinkle on some pomegranate. Have the little fried sage leaf that you can add. And then we're gonna top it with microgreens. This is arugula. Let me cut you a little piece.
It smells amazing. Wow.
There's really good textures from the pomegranate, and the lemon zest really comes through. It's so nice.
It's so good.